Today I've got 17 real work-from-home jobs that you can do at night. These are live job listings, and most don't require much previous experience or education. If you appreciate this content, please gently tap the like button. Let's jump into it. Number 1, control center operators support an organization, network, and computer systems during the night. This is crucial in industries like telecommunications and IT services. Expect to make around $49,000 to $75,000 a year. Number 2, answering service operator, taking calls after hours, verifying information, handling dispatch messages remotely. Make around $33,000 to $47,000 a year. Many opportunities available. No degree needed. Number 3, data visualization coordinator, crafting compelling dashboards for companies to virtually represent their data. Make around $71,000 to $115,000 a year. Requires skills with Python, Tableau, and Excel. Number 4, inbound sales representative, taking inbound sales calls, making around $45,000 to $85,000 a year. Valuable skills to have for communication and understanding customers' needs. Number 5, patient account representative, managing accounts receivable, focusing on healthcare payer regulations, making around $39,000 to $555,000 a year. No previous experience or degree typically required. Number 6, communication specialist, handling confidential information and workplace concerns, impacting organizational change. Make around $58,000 to $92,000 a year. Opportunities available with a strong portfolio. Number 7, payroll administrator, responsible for ensuring everyone gets paid properly and on time. Make around $51,000 to $73,000 a year. Easy to get into, good opportunity. Number 8, account resolution specialist, restoring financial balance, often in the areas like collections or healthcare. Make around $39,000 to $556,000 a year. Great entry level. Number 9, admission coordinator, verifying insurance, coordinating with healthcare staff, and managing admissions. Make around $45,000 to $65,000 a year. Good for stepping stone careers. Number 10, patient care coordinator, managing and coordinating patient care activity. Make around $39,000 to $56,000 a year. Opportunities in various healthcare facilities. Number 11, computer operator, monitoring and controlling computer systems. Making around $60,000 to $101,000 a year. Opportunities for tech jobs with some experience. Number 12, client care specialist, providing care and support to clients or patients. Making about $47,000 to $71,000 a year. Opportunities available and easy to get into. Number 13, remote scheduling assistant, managing appointments and schedules remotely. Making about $38,000 to $53,000 a year. Good entry-level role. Number 14, compliance analyst, ensuring companies adhere to regulations and internal policies. Make around $61,000 to $96,000 a year. Requires some previous experience. Number 15, acquisition specialist, identifying, evaluating, and negotiating property purchases. Make about $105,000 to $189,000 a year. Real estate experience is helpful. Number 16, tour marketing coordinator, coordinating tours for concerts. Making about $45,000 to $65,000 a year. Niche opportunity, but common in the industry. Number 17, customer support representative, handling customer inquiries and resolving issues. Making about $41,000 to $63,000 a year. Opportunities in various industries, often at night. These are just a few of the many work-from-home job opportunities that are available. Remember, many of these roles don't require a college degree and can be a great way to start a new career or earn extra income. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on job opportunities and career advice. Share this video with anyone who needs to find a job or want to explore to a new career path. Thank you for watching.